Hi my beautiful family and welcome to another of my video. I hope you don't mind. I just popped here fast to film this video for you guys because I have so much to do at work and I actually need to work at home too. I have too much to do. So I popped here to open this Look Fantastic monthly subscription box for November. Or is it? Yes, I think it's from November. So let's open it together. Let's just start. I hope you don't mind my background and everything, but my camera, my batteries for my camera are, I can't find them where they are actually. So I just really wanted to pop up here and show you this monthly subscription. First I thought that I'm going to do live, but for some reason it didn't want to connect. So let's see, we have this Look Fantastic November, yes, beauty box. Looks like the magazine. And then we have the L magazine that we always get in every box every month. And this is for this month. So the first thing we have, it's Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. Fall asleep faster, naturally, and wake up refreshed. I was kind of excited to hear because I did watch one unboxing. Lavender, it smells beautiful. Some people like this kind of product, some people don't like this kind of product. I've never used them, but I'll definitely try tonight because I have a hard time sleeping. And if this helps me, that's wonderful. Then we get this sample size from NYX. This is multi-purpose nurturing oil, face oil and hair, face, body and hair. I've seen this before. It smells nice. It smells very perfumey though. Maybe I will use it in my hair. Tops maybe. So my hair smells good. But that's nice. Then we have this Dr. Botanic Hemp. Hemp infused natural nurturing moisturizer. This is for the face. Sounds like a good product. I've tried a couple of Dr. Botanic's products. I think I'm using the night cream. Yes, this is the one that I got in one of my, what it's called, calendars. I got this pomegranate superfood mask that I'm using 3 times a week as a night cream. It's wonderful. This makes your face feels like baby skin. I love it. And definitely going to try this. So I'm excited to try out more products from that brand. I just dropped it on the floor. I'm tired. Let's see. Then we have ESPA Natural Beauty Inner Calm Smooth and Firm Body Butter. Intensely rich body moisturizer to smooth and tone. And ensurely rich body moisturizer to nurturing, smooth and tone, leave your skin soft and supply. Sounds like a good product. I don't know. It smells nice. I like the smell. It has a nice smell. So if you don't like perfumed kind of body creams, I don't think you'll like this. But I haven't tried anything from this brand before. Have you tried anything? Please let me know down below. This is the first I'm using. For best results, use morning and evening after your bath and shower. Massage into skin and firm upward circular movements until full absorb. To enhance the benefits, use after your favorite ESPA shower gel. Haven't tried anything from this brand, so I'm glad to see that. And then we have something here that I don't know what this is. This is cognac sponge charcoal. Cognac sponge charcoal. Cognac sponge. I don't know what this is. Cruelty-free and vegan. This product is 100% biodegradable and acts as a gently exfoliator. This charcoal infused sponge is ideal for someone with oily skin. Something new. I haven't tried this before. It looks like it's wet. It's soft. We usually get these hard kind of sponges that you wet and make them soft before, but this is already moist sponge, wet. I haven't tried anything from this before. that brand. I don't know what that is. I need to check it out, but it sounds like a good thing. And then you have Skin On Beauty Mask, Intensely Nourishment Plus, our revitalizing serum enriched with shea butter, aloe vera, and hyaluronic acid, is an innovative glove mask, 2 glove mask. This is a hand mask. Oh, now I'm with you. This is a hand mask. This sounds like a good product. This I know I'm going to give to someone. I think I'm going to give this to my mom because she works a lot with her hands at her work. So I think she would like to try something like this. So I will definitely give this to her. This was a good box. I love this box. Nice product here. I don't know what this is, but I'll definitely research exfoliating. Maybe you can use it more. I don't think this is only for one use, but please let me know if you tried anything like this. I have no idea. Then we have body cream. We also have a face cream that I dropped on the floor. And this is something I'm most excited about. Deep Sleep Pillow Spray. It smells lavender. I love lavender smell. It's really really relaxing. I'm excited to try this out. So guys, I really like this box. This monthly box is great. I really, really like it. Let me know down below what you think about this product. Did you try any of these? I'm very curious to hear your thoughts. I always read your comments, but I'm bad at answering, so sorry for that. I'll try to be better. But let me know if you tried anything from these brands or these kind of products. Let me know. I will love to see that. And I'll see you in my next video. I love you all. Bye.